Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl treyxchris and I'm back again with another video. I'm back with this beautiful girl is right here. So this video we're about to do here, as you can see, we have different delicacies. We have jollof rice, we have white rice, we have plantain fritata, we have beans, plantain and potato, we have potato sauce, and we have fish sauce, and then we have meat here. So what this is called a mukbang. And what it means is just eating and gisting. Like, a lot of people are foodies just like me, and there are actually channels on YouTube that their main focus is just to eat and my voice is cracking because I'm so hungry. Shade, their main focus is to eat and gist. That's all their channel is about. So in case you're a Nigerian and you want to come for me and say what is this video about, please go just type mukbang MUKBANG on YouTube and you'll see different videos like this. So we're just going to eat and gist with you guys, and if you're in your house or wherever you may be, you can also buy food and join us and let's just talk and have fun. And let's start eating some chicken.
Oh my god.
So what are we going to talk about? Please, you guys should know, like, from I'm eating. This is how I eat. I eat very fast, very fast. And I don't chew.
She doesn't chew.
She eats as if, okay, the other day she was eating cheese ball, and I was wondering if it's cheese ball she was eating with every other person, because she was eating it as if she was eating 5 plantain.
Oh my god.
I'm very hungry.
But there was a program that we were supposed to do yesterday.
She didn't come, but we went. I was not anywhere. And it was so nice. I mean, you cannot believe that
Nigerian students have a lot of talent. We had our own Wakanda.
And they used TNT as the...
TNT was the name of the... So let's say the name of the place. They said Wakanda forever, but it wasn't like Wakanda was the name of the place. The name of the place was TNT.
Okay.
And it was so funny. Now they changed the whole idea.
But who was your favorite housemate?
In Big Brother. In Big Brother. I don't think I had any.
Are you serious?
I don't have any either.
Please, my favorite, your favorite couple.
Person, not the favorite housemate.
Person and housemate, what's the difference?
No, I didn't like them because they were housemates. I liked them because of their body, not because they were fine.
And so still it's something now.
But my life changed at every time. Like initially, I didn't even have any feeling.
Okay, your favorite couple.
I don't think I had a favorite couple.
Are you serious? Please, my favorite couple was Bam Bam and Teddy.
No.
I was in love.
And I kept changing
when they left. I was in shock.
I wasn't joking.
Oh my god, this is so awesome.
I felt they really
so good. Like,
at the end of the day, I didn't like the fact that Teddy A was someone I was expecting to hold so much position.
Me too.
Like,
I expected him to stay for a long time.
They called him Alpha Male.
And he
didn't even get head of house once. I mean, who does that as an Alpha Male?
So I liked Teddy A for his body, like that was it. I didn't even like Teddy A for his mind. But if you hear Leo speak,
God, you could tell God, I bet that
so much is happening.
And Lolu.
Yes.
Leo is the most
Lolu is also very smart.
Exactly. And he converses with you. He doesn't just say things. You could read meaning into everything he was saying. And just so you know, what is bringing up Big Brother is the fact that Alex came yesterday.
Yeah, it's not as if we're still interested in Big Brother.
It was awesome. She came and she surprised us, but it was her.
She was trying to hide.
Yeah,
get it by yourself. It's super.
She didn't tell anybody she was coming. I think she made them with only stages. So even TMT themselves, like Vegetation Theatre, they didn't know she was coming.
So they wanted to surprise her. This place is controlling these people. Like,
you know, something happened yesterday.
He has been working with them.
I'm telling you, you know what happened yesterday?
He wanted to tell a story, and the story there with him being a Babcock student. And you know, now it's a lie and it's a joke, so I don't get why you should be so emotional about it.
Somebody now from here.
Somebody now poured him water.
Hey,
and he just walked out of the stage. Like,
he was so angry.
But that's arrogance.
It's stupidity.
It's arrogance.
It took about 30 minutes for him to come back.
That's wrong.
No, I don't think it's arrogance for him to walk out.
Tina.
To walk
Wait
out.
for him to walk out.
Yes.
No.
Listen to me. Things happen to people on stage. People throw tomato on people, throw things on people, but you can't stop your show for anybody.
For me, it's not arrogance. I mean,
to me, it's true.
annoying.
Even though you don't stop your show for anybody, haven't you seen videos where fans stand stage and hit the artist? Like, you're not. Go online. I can't name this thing right now because I'm so invested.
That's not coming from.
You don't stop your show for even when I tell you haven't seen musicians that when they are dancing on stage they are
best.
You don't stop your show for anything.
So yesterday that was.
It's too early. It's too
But
early.
the guy too was also very, very good.
Yes, now.
You deal with that after. That's how to do. You mark the person or whisper to somebody to mark the person. When you come out of stage, you deal with it. But for them, say you don't stop very sharp. Because this food is entering my brain. I beg. I am sweet.
People is so sweet.
Like he walked away, and then we had to beg.
Imagine if you're A1 now, that you know how they plan their shows for weeks. And then you come on stage and somebody pour you water and now walk out of stage. Your money are finished, everybody will go. You don't do that.
There were 3 MCs.
No, I'm just saying for next time. I understand what anger can do, You can get angry and react. But just in case of next time, because he's an upcoming person. But I just love the whole name, and this thing is just the combination of it all is spectacular.
I like the fact that I don't know what that is.
I swear, it's like you don't even know all those different tastes in your mouth. You're like,
but try this as well. Do you know how long I've been begging this girl to go buy some things, plantain and things for me? Now she's gonna get them.
I made the bill because of her. First when she ate it, she liked it. That time, every time in class, when we cook plantain and beans.
I didn't know children could cook.
You're
No
mad.
matter how much
Why didn't you like to cook?
you don't look
Because you cannot. See, let me just start from here to start saying this thing that this part is saying to me.
Ajebo.
First of all, they said they did not know I could sing Christian songs.
She doesn't actually.
Club songs. That they think I can sing.
love songs.
Love songs.
Celine Dion.
Can you imagine?
When you call
Love me. That was what we thought you could sing.
And then as well as singing, now who bought this fine girl? Now who bought this fine girl? Oh,
Baby girl, you bust my man. Come make her rock your body. I know say you like the money. I know say you like the money.
Oh yeah, baby, come closer, make her rock your body. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay,
I don't give you love when she
so you two Shade, when I first heard you sing in Nigerian, I think Treasure can do anything.
Me too.
Like, I don't mean book or intellectual. I mean like, I don't want to she can clean the house. I don't know.
But you guys see me do it. I don't know why you guys think that because I do those things. I'm very, very hardworking.
I don't think she's very hardworking.
But you.
Okay, but now I know she's actually very, very hardworking.
But
I'm too filled up.
no, I'm ready.
Overly filled up. Overly filled up.
You don't show control.
You get the phone.
If I guess it 2 seconds, you come back. Is that how hungry you are? Not to die of food. You die here.
Self-control.
I honestly don't know.
I've eaten too much.
Like, do you know the thing? I beg, don't use me as my sister. Let me tell you guys the thing. There's just so much food, like small bits of everything, like, and we have been so hungry.
So do you know I've been giving this thing for weeks. I must eat. That I making sense.
Right?
Hey, I wish you back.
I sprinkled sugar.
So your leg is removing blood from my
I
system.
sprinkled sugar when I was frying it.
Are you serious?
Why?
I just wanted to do it.
To know how to. Don't do your experiments.
And it didn't come out so bad, right?
Yeah.
I think it's very, very nice. Okay.
Please tell me the.
No, let's talk about our department and some of the things they do that.
My You will not believe.
Gossip. I said, really, they are going to
Be careful. There are people that
I don't care. I'm going to watch it because at the end of the day, I know that so many people in our class
some people now,
so much
in this
about
world. I don't want to say in our
and
class.
I don't even care.
In this
At the end
world,
of the day,
they are just dumb hypocrites.
big hypocrites. But first of all,
I can't give you details. I can't give them.
We just have to know what is going to happen.
We'll not call names.
Yes,
No.
but Treasure, you are going to
and I'll
understand.
cut it out.
What
And
happened
you
is that
cannot believe
particular
what we saw
girl.
yesterday.
I met her one time like that when we were first here. She was doing something, photocopying something, one material like that, and then
This has made me and I want to
Listen.
Just
she was feeling overly big.
Like she's so big,
And then
so pompous.
When I show you these people in charge of, it will start to connect properly. So she was saying that that all these people in our class, can you imagine? She was saying that all these people in our class, she doesn't like the way we used to behave.
All of us.
The one that is dating this person. She doesn't like the way we used to behave. That she's just managing us because at the end of the day, everybody
in the class.
Yeah.
Also, you don't like everybody in the class.
We used to do anyhow, like we used to act like children. We met her with her boyfriend. We are not even standing apart.
Like, as if these class, these people don't
talk to each other. That is another thing.
Oh, you guys didn't know. I know them all.
I didn't know.
No, I know. I heard the. But I don't used to pay attention to it. And one of the reasons why I don't pay attention to it is because I don't see them together. Because if I see them together, just as I saw them together, I will connect the dots immediately and be like, these people must be having something. Because there's so many people we just see and then you just start to notice that these people are having something.
Even when they don't say it,
you cannot guess. Big girls dating.
Yeah, like
classmate, as in a small person.
Thank you. Like she's dating the supposed people that are children.
Why?
And she is someone who is bigger than everybody in the class. So how are you dating? But actually, you know they're from Nsukka. I know that. That's what I was saying. Do you know what I was saying today? The other day.
Because I think we are giving too much detail. Because some people will figure it out by now.
Figure it out.
I mean, at the end of the day, we are not saying something that is not true.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's
the fact that you are hiding it.
We are just bringing it up for you guys
to see. At the end of the day, what we are just trying to say is that
don't be
there are a lot of. I'm telling you.
I mean, nobody's stopping you from doing things you want to do. Why do you have to lie?
Why do you have to hide behind
it? Why?
I'm too good cloak.
What do you have to do that? Nobody's going to beat you.
Because it's nobody's business, man.
Exactly.
I am so full.
I can't even talk anymore.
This is all this food. I want to eat all of them, but...
Well, you know that thing where you steal food and you don't finish it and then later in the night you're hungry and you're like, all that food that I left behind. I feel like that's what causes my disorder, like my eating disorder sometimes. Because I just feel like there'll be a time when I will regret not finishing this food, so let me finish it and I finished it. I didn't wait because I feel like I wasted the food and now I'm hungry. I hate going out on dates that are so, romantic was so restricted, like you just sit down and eat and talk. I prefer like maybe go to a movie where something else distracting us and just not our conversation, because there's so much time for me to focus on my food, especially when the other person is talking. And I finish before you. I always finish before my dates, and it's just so embarrassing because I'll be done and the guy will still, like, trust me, guys. I feel like some guys notice that thing, man. When I say I finish like finish. And this guy is still in like half of the plate. Do you know, after maybe my food is now like this small. You know that, you know when you catch yourself, like, you have not been self-conscious for a long time.
Managing that small.
So it's now remaining this small.
You know, we're managing that small.
I mean, I will slow down. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the conversation, and I hope you ate with us, and I hope the food tasted, because this food was so delicious. Like, I'm so filled up, I can't even talk well. I need to go and sleep. See, Shade was like this before, now she's like this. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications whenever I post new videos. Leave an opinion on whatever topic we discussed about, and leave a comment on whatever meal you think was the best. And just talk to me on it, okay? Just talk to me, because I really like to read your comments. Like, I die on your comments, like you die there. Please just leave a comment. You don't know how much it helps my channel whenever you leave a comment or something like that. Like, it helps me a lot. So just leave, no matter the random comment you can ever leave. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.